Question number 8 says, a solution of 2,500 units heparin in 500 milliliters D5W to infuse at a rate of 1,000 units per hour using a 10 GTT per milliliter set. Find the flow rate in GTT per minute. Whenever they ask us to find the flow rate in GTT per minute, that means at some point in the math we're going to have to use the flow rate formula. But before we can do that, we actually need to set up a proportion with the order, which is 1,000 units per hour, and the strength, which is 2,500 units over 500 mLs. So 500 times 1,000 divided by 2,500, and we get x is equal to 200 mLs per hour. Okay, so now we're ready to look at the formula, and if we look back at it, it's the amount in milliliters times the type of tubing, which is the set calibration, and then divide that by the time in minutes. So they are using a 10 GTT per milliliter set, so this will be 10 here. And then I actually get both of the other blanks from my answer. So they tell us that it's 200 mLs. So that's going to go here. And they tell us that it's per hour. So the hour is going to go here, but again I need to express that in minutes. So 1 hour is 60 minutes. And then I can solve this. So 200 times 10 divided by 60, and I want to round this to the nearest whole number. That will be 33 GTT per minute.